My name is Max Chambers. I'm an applied science consultant here at Team Consulting. Part of my role is to translate fundamental scientific concepts into information for our teams of engineers to develop and design medical devices and products. Personalised therapies are therapies that are designed for an individual patient on an individual basis. Many of the drugs that are commonly known in the pharmaceutical industry are mass-produced for a wide audience, whereas personalised therapies are tailored to a specific individual. The current challenges in cell therapy manufacture are integrating fully automated system process, as well as inline analytics and QC. Cell therapy manufacture is very complicated. It's got many process steps requiring dozens of individual technologies. So the challenge for autologous cell therapies is how to automate for such a small scale. So we created a demonstrator label-free microfluidic cell sorter to be able to separate cells and particles based on their size and shape without any extrinsic label. So the cells do not need to be modified before going into the device, which allows us to potentially separate healthy and diseased cells based on their morphology alone. This sorter will help integrating quality control and analytics into cell therapy manufacture by combining multiple steps into a single device and by acting as a modular component which can fit into a larger system. This device was designed to be low cost and integrated as part of a rapid development process. All the components are off the shelf. The fluid can be driven by any sort of pump. We have used a syringe pump and a peristaltic pump. Flow and system control is provided by a Raspberry Pi loaded with an image processing algorithm that is able to distinguish the particles. The optics are all commercially available from Thor Labs, and directional control is provided by a pair of inexpensive rocker valves. Devices such as this demonstrate new approaches to thinking about cell therapy manufacture to address yet unresolved challenges in the industry at large.